dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Student, today we are going to start our next exercise 15.3 and 15.4. In this video, we'll do both the exercises. Why? Because in 15.3 we have only one question and 15.4 we have only three questions. So we'll complete these both exercises in this video and this chapter as well. And I told you student in the starting of this video only that this chapter is just practical based. All questions are very simple and practical based. Right student? So let's start first of all 15.3 exercise question number 1. What cross section do you get when you have the solid, brick, round apple, die and so on 2-3 more solid shape you are having. Solid shape everyone know the 3D shape, right? When you are having a brick, suppose the very first a brick. Brick is a solid shape, it is a 3D shape, right? Cross section student, cross section क्या होता है? Cross section means when you are having 3D shape. राइट जब उसे आप कट करते हो when you will cut that 3D shape तो अंदर का पोर्शन होता है ना that is called cross section of that given solid. Right student? So the very first example is brick. Brick का you have to do the vertical cut and horizontal cut. You know student vertical cut क्या होता है? Suppose this is a shape, solid shape, right? Vertical cut means like this. ठीक है, जब आप उसका वर्टिकल कट करो तो क्या फिगर बन रही है एंड जब उसका आप हॉरिजॉन्टल कट करो, हॉरिजॉन्टल मींस अलोंग द लेंथ, तो क्या आपकी शेप अराइज हो रही है. राइट स्टूडेंट? क्रॉस सेक्शन इनसाइड वन फिगर व्हेन यू विल कट दैट सॉलिड शेप इनसाइड फिगर क्या फॉर्म हो रही है दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रॉस सेक्शन. ओके, सो उसे हमने वर्टिकल कट करना है और हॉरिजॉन्टल कट करना है. देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ व्हाट फिगर इज फॉर्मिंग. वेरी सिंपल, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अ ब्रिक. This is the shape of a brick student. You know brick, right? Rectangular shape होता है. So brick को जब आप in this manner, in vertically when you will cut, so what you will get student? One rectangle you will get because the brick is in cuboid shape. Cuboid मतलब rectangular shape में होता है. So when you will cut it, तो अंदर का portion जो आपको rectangle form में दिखेगा, right? Now second, now horizontal cut. When you will cut in this manner student, then also you will get this rectangle shape only. But जो ये rectangle shape है ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा होगा because from the middle you are cutting, right? So again you are getting the same rectangle shape only but little bit bigger. That's it student. Now second is a round apple. Means one apple is there, you have to cut. For you how to cut? See, I have an apple. It's not a round, full round, but still, it's suppose it is a round apple. Okay, first vertical cut. Vertical cut, student. This is called vertical cut. So I'm cutting this apple vertically. See this vertical I have cut. Okay, so what shape you got in cross section means जो अंदर after cutting जो अंदर का shape होगा that is called cross section. Okay, so what you got? See, circle you got, right? When you cut vertically and round apple, so you got cross section circle. Okay, now you will cut the apple in horizontal shape this manner. Okay, so again you will student horizontal cut. I have done horizontal cut. So what you got? Again one circle you got. Right student? I hope you understood what is the term cross section. Right? So when you cut the apple horizontally, again you got a circular shape. Right student? The third example is a die. Die everyone seen? Square shape में होता है. So when you will cut vertically, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? Square मिलेगा. Right? Because all sides are same. Now when you will cut it horizontally, you can cut also. You can see कोई भी आप एक shape बना लीजिए cube का. You will cut. Ultimately you will get which shape you are getting. So see student, again you will get the square shape only. Right? Very simple now. Here in this question we have learned what the term is cross section. Okay student, so these three examples I have done. 2 more examples are there that you can practically you can solve, no need to do in the notebook, right? So this was about our exercise 15.3. I hope you understood. Now coming to our next exercise. Student, coming to exercise 15.4, the last exercise of this chapter. Again, very simple exercise. A bulb is kept just right above the falling solid. So bulb is kept just right above the solid. What are the solid? A ball, a cylindrical pipe and a book. So what you need to tell, name the shape of the shadow which is obtained in each case. Means obviously student, if you kept a bulb just above the solid shape, कोई shadow तो बनेगी, right student? तो shadow किस shape की बनी है? You need to write down that thing only. So ball, you know student, ball. So bulb रखोगे तो उसकी shadow नीचे क्या बनेगी? एक circle form में. Everyone knows, right? You can do also this activity at your home. Second, a cylindrical pipe. ऐसे होती है सिलेंडर, हैव यू सीन? बट उसकी शैडो जो नीचे पड़ेगी स्टूडेंट, सिर्फ एक लाइन की तरह पड़ेगी, लाइक दिस, बिकॉज शैडो है ना, पूरी फिगर तो नहीं बन सकती, राइट? सिर्फ शैडो पड़ेगी. जैसे इट इज इन हॉरिजॉन्टल शेप, सो द लाइन विल बी हॉरिजॉन्टली, राइट? नाउ थर्ड, अ बुक. बुक जब आप ओपन करोगे या बुक यू विल कैप लाइक दिस. बुक जो है क्यूबॉइड शेप में होती है, इट मीन्स रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में, तो उसकी शैडो क्या बनेगी? रेक्टेंगल. Right student, that's it. Very simple questions are there. Told you that these exercises are totally based on practical. Right student? So these practical you can do at your home also. So this is about question number 1. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 2 student. Again the same type of question which we have done in question number 1. Here are some 3D objects. When seen under the lamp, identify the solid. We see circle under the lamp. So what thing you are observing कि solid shape क्या हो सकता है? If you don't know, that is ball. Ball का तो circle पड़ेगा, we know. But only if you are seeing the shadow. अगर सिर्फ आप shadow देख रहे हो, तो आप कैसे judge करोगे कि what kind of solid it is? Obvious है, that can be multiple answer. If I am seeing a circle, I can say this circle can be a ball, or you can say somebody else say no, it is a chapati. राइट? तो सर्कल शेप का कोई भी सॉलिड शेप हो सकता है. दैट्स इट. सो क्वेश्चन इज दिस ओनली. हियर आर द सम 3D ऑब्जेक्ट अंडर द लैम्प. व्हाट यू आर सेइंग दैट क्या 3D शेप हो सकता है? सो इट कैन बी मल्टीपल आंसर स्टूडेंट, राइट? लाइक स्क्वायर है तो स्क्वायर somebody कैन से इट्स अ डाई, राइट? somebody विल से इट्स अ चॉक बॉक्स. somebody can say it's a square paper sheet. So it can be anything. Right student? Triangle है. So triangle shape का क्या हो सकता है? Yes, birthday cap. Somebody will say it can be a birthday cap, or you can say it can be an ice cream cone. It can be, so etc. It can be anything student. Right? Because these are the shadows. Solid shape जो है कुछ भी हो सकती है. Rectangle है. So rectangle it can be a book. It can be a brick. It can be a table. So etc. student, the example can be anything. Right student? So that's it. So means after seeing the shadow, you have to tell the solid shape. So it can be anything you don't know about the solid shape, but the figure is forming this. Right student? So that's it. This is about our question number 2. Coming to our question number 3. Now coming to our question number 3 student, you have to tell that these statements are true or not. Right? The very first, the cube can cast a shadow in the shape of rectangle. Student, cube की जो shadow है क्या वो rectangle form में होती है? Obvious you will say no, है ना? Because cube की जो shadow होगी वो obvious square की shape में होगी. And we have done the diagonal example. जब इसे cut करेंगे तो square shape में cut करेंगे, right student? But this statement is true. Now why student? Because हम सिर्फ shadow की बात कर रहे हैं, we are not saying about the cross section. This can be true, right student? How? See, suppose अगर कोई भी cube है, ठीक है, अगर आपका बल्ब जो है, if you are seeing light जो है वो यहाँ से आप पास करवा रहे हो, so from side face if you see, तो उसकी shadow जो बनेगी इसे सामने वो rectangle shape में ही बनेगी. You can check it also student. अगर आपके घर में कोई भी square shape का tile या anything you are having of square shape, right? Side say you can put any torch light or anything light, so you will say rectangle shape की shadow बनेगी, right student? So this can be true because can है ना, So this can be true. Right student? Now second is a cube can cast a shadow in the shape of hexagon. Hexagon तो नहीं बना सकती. So this statement is false because hexagon everyone know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a cube cannot make the shadow of this hexagon. Right student? So that's it. This is about our question number 3. See student how simple question we have in this chapter, chapter 15. So with this question we have completed our chapter number 15, visualizing solid shape. And I hope you understood because all questions are very simple and practical based only. That's all for today's class student. After completion of this exercise, we'll take a test for this. Okay, so prepare it well. So till then, thank you so much for watching student. Bye bye and take care.